So I'll quickly show you how to type the degree symbol anywhere on your Windows computer. It could be in Google Docs, could be in Microsoft Word, or any other website or platform you want to type in. So what you want to do is just press and hold the Windows button on your keyboard and then press period. Okay, so this little window will appear. Now once again, hold down the Windows button and then press period, and this little window appears. Now this window allows you to add things like emojis, GIFs, this cow emojis, stuff like that. And then you also have the option to add symbols. So if you click on symbols, you have different categories. Obviously, this is the most recently used symbols, but then you have general punctuation, you have currency symbols, you have different categories that you can scroll using these arrows. Now, since we want degrees, that should be under general punctuation. So under general punctuation, if we scroll, we should find the degree symbol. Okay, so let's try and find that. So here it is. So you have the degree symbol here. Click on it and you can see that gets added. So you can easily write 24 degrees. Now this could be an angle, it could be 24 degrees Celsius, whatever it is you're typing. That's basically how to type the degree symbol. Now once again, if I bring up that window, just hold Windows and period or full stop. Once you use a symbol, then it's going to be in the most recently used symbols. So if you come here, for instance, beg your pardon, let's go back. If you come to symbols, then you should find it in the most recently used symbols and you can use it again. All right. So that's the easiest way to do this. And this works even on websites, wherever it is that you're typing, you can easily add the degree symbol. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.